Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. This is Fitness Bootcamp with your girl, Body G. So today we are doing cardio and some yoga moves. So let's get into it. First, we are doing speed sprint down and up twice. Then we're gonna stop here with y'all and we are going to do some yoga stretch. So let's go. Tap in. If they mad, let them be. I ain't bother yet. I don't chase, I replace, that's fast. If you play, I upgrade, no cap. Mirror talk, I mean hyped all day. I don't need nobody else to say that I'm fine, I'm there, I'm her. Didn't know that, now I walk like it purr. She ate that, yeah, I did that. Big body, no shame, can't miss that. Step in, hold. All right, so that was beautiful. Let's do it. So since we are in this vibe, let's share some tip. All right, so one of the things that you need to know as a body is that working out gives you energy, and most of that energy that you receive is sexual energy. So you receive it to put into your container to manifest whatever you like, whether it's more speed, beauty, strength, money, whatever you're into, you can use that energy to fulfill your desire. So that's a friendly tip for all my fitness buddies. All right, so you transmute the energy when you work out, you transmute it to whatever you desire. All right, so we're gonna do a few poses today, and this is how we start. So because we are in nature, we have different things on. I know, so don't mind that. I just wanted to point it out because it's a little obvious if you see, right? All right, so we're gonna start with most of the standing pose because, as you see, we don't have any yoga mats. So one of the poses we're gonna do today is this one. So we're gonna tilt one of our foot. We're starting with our left foot, so we're taking it as far as we can, and we're gonna take our hands to the ground, bring our foot up because we want to put it as far as we can. All right, We're gonna stay there for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, nice. So we don't waste time. We're going to go in with the right foot. So we start off, before we take off, we take our time, we go down, we stretch the foot as far as we can, we go down, and we keep the foot high. All right? We want to do it as far as we can. And we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, take your legs down. Now we're back at center. So that was 1. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but at a different angle. All right. So starting off again with the left foot. So it's like you're taking off. So you want to rock into it. So we go, start to take our foot off. We go down to the ground, raise our legs, we keep it there, go as high as we can, and we do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, we are doing it in reverse, so that was 6 seconds. Now we're doing the right foot. Let's go. Stretch down as high as we can, high as possible, and we do 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, now we're doing this side. All right, so it's a full circle. So we're starting again with the left foot. Start by rocking in. Now we take off. All right, going up, going up. All right, so we do 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All right, that was the left leg. Now we go in with our right leg. All right, so we rock in to take off. Now we go. All right, wanna go down, and this time we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, you're doing well. I want you to clap yourself right now. This is our last circle. Now start with our left foot, take off. We're doing this one quick. Go again, take off. All right, so we did that because the video only have 10 minutes and we are done and we wanted to talk to y'all. All right, so that was our speed sprint, and we also did a few yoga stretching. Now you can feel the pain. It's not pain, but the energy in your fingers and in your legs, right? So if you're at home or in the gym or wherever you choose to begin your fitness journey, this is a perfect way to start, and it is a way for you to get into alignment with your body, especially your legs, so that you may continue your journey very healthy and balanced. All right, so thank you guys for watching my video. You can find me on YouTube. If you are on my Instagram or TikTok page, you can find me on YouTube at Body G Fitness. So go over YouTube and subscribe to my channel, or if you're on TikTok, I am Empress Soleil. You can find me there, and we do this all day.